See the magical? Yeah. Welcome to Jessie and Jess. Today we're gonna make some science experiments. Yesterday we made this, but we're gonna do it again. Are you ready? Great! We need a balloon. Then we have another one. Whoops. We fill this with baking soda. Let's fill this with baking soda. Alright. Now let's put some baking soda into this carefully.
That's enough.
Now we have our balloon filled. Now we have our balloon filled. Now we're gonna get this cup for a minute, right, Mommy? And then tie it with this glue. And my mommy's gonna help me because I don't know. So I'm just 4, and my mommy is bigger than me because she's. What is it?
Baking soda, fill it. That's enough. That's enough.
Let's see. But Daddy can learn. Now we fill the fingers. We're missing these fingers. That's okay. Well, we have these both. Tick, tick, tick. Now we will fill vinegar. All right. Great. First, we need this bottle to fill. My mommy will help me because I'm so little. My mommy's big. Remember what I say? I'm just wearing my mommy's 26, right, Mom? Now we're filled this, but it's not top. Now we have both of these. Do you like that? Now, just get it. This way. And then my mommy is taking it for a minute, and right, Mom? And then we fill, and we're tying it carefully. Okay, now we're not ready yet. We're not done. You want to see more of my videos? Just ask your mom, okay? Great. Come on, Lydia, can you shake it away?
Ready.
Okay, then you're gonna just shake it. See the magical? I put vanilla. Is that silly? That was a big mess. Like Oops. Boys and girls, what's happening? The first one goes, second one, dust. You hear that?
Maybe we'll do it again. Okay.
We're doing it again, right, Mom? What do you think happens when I mix vinegar and baking soda? So, this is the end of this video. Right, Mom? No? Actually, this is weird. We're doing that again. Well, sorry. Vinegar and soda mixed together. Gas was released. That was carbon dioxide. We breathed it out. This gas is what inflates the balloon. Did you see that? Three, two, one. Three, two, one.
No, try this. Okay.
Say what?
Don't do it. When I mixed vinegar and baking soda, gas was released. That was carbon dioxide. We breathed it out. This gas is what inflates the balloon. I'm gonna give it a squeeze. Do. Isn't that cool? Great, let's do it again. 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Baking soda up the road. And when it is time to run. Baking soda on the road. Hit it and on the lawn. Baking soda and vinegar is mixing together in an earth. Yes. Hello. Carbon dioxide. Please subscribe and click the like icon. For watching, bye. Please subscribe and click the like